Hello, I'm Chuck Folk, South Alabama Home Inspections, and welcome to another edition of Southern Home Talk. And this is one of the reasons why, if you're a home inspector or even just a client out looking for houses, you probably want to take your shoes off and wear socks, because there's lots of reasons it's good to do that. One, it kind of lets the homeowner know you care about their house, but it's also a good way to find problems that might be going on. And so I walked into this closet, and you can look at this carpet, it looks pretty good. But when I step right here, this is the only thing I can illustrate with. This is really wet, and I could tell it through my socks. And I says, wow, I says, they got a busted pipe in the slab right here. Or at least that's what I initially thought. So, this is where it gets pretty interesting, so let's go around the other side. So you have to ask yourself, what's on the other side of this wall? Voila, here it is. It's a water heater, and it's leaking around that coupling right there. Probably from a poor soldered joint, but the lack of dielectric unions on this may have contributed to this as well. And also a lack of an expansion tank, which is missing on this tank water heater. And so it's got a pan down below, which it's supposed to have, but it's missing the external drain tube. There's supposed to be a tube that goes from here through the wall and outside. And so it's just going down on the floor, and it's draining down into that closet area on the back side of this. And so this is where I think it's coming from. And the thing about it is, I can't say with absolute certainty that's what the problem is, even though I'm pretty sure it is, because it could still be a busted pipe. And the only way to really 100% know would be to fix this problem, dry this up, and see if that dries out over there. I've kind of sort of, in a way, had this one other issue a while back where there was water standing inside of a water meter box, and I thought there was a leaky valve or a leaky pipe there, because common sense would tell you that's what it was. But as it turned out, that just so happened to be where a spring came up, right inside the water meter box. So I figured I'd make this kind of an interesting story here. Another thing too, I kind of sort of thought this may have been, that's a copper line right there. I kind of sort of thought this may have been coming from this is a supply line for the ice maker for the refrigerator. And by the way, those saddle valves are prone to leaking. And so I kind of thought maybe it was coming from that, but I have found it is coming from that coupling right there. So anyway, I hope this has been somewhat informative, guys. Y'all take care.